Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a working from home look. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just fill in my brows. Working from home seems like a norm nowadays. So whether we have meetings or team meetings, or if you just want to look stylish on the couch, you do you. So I'm just filling in my brows, not too much, just because I am at home. So I'm just gonna fast forward really quickly through this part because I don't think you want to watch me do my brows all day. So now I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer in the color Medium Dark 32 and just pop it on my eyelids, under my brows, and then I'm going to take the ColourPop Hyaluronic Concealer in Medium Dark 120W and just just put it under my eyes and at the corner of my eye just to make my eye look a little more lifted, and then just spot conceal around my face. So I'm just blending out my concealer using a brush. I normally don't use a brush on the daily because I want to save as much time as I can in the mornings. But I just wanted to give you guys some options of what tools you can use to blend out your concealer. So you could use a brush, you could use a beauty blender, or you can just use your fingers, which is what I normally use. I find that using my fingers, it just warms up the product so much better and it blends it out so much better and faster, which saves me a lot of time. But I just wanted to show you guys, just the different types of tools that you can use, and it all depends on your preference and what you like. So now I'm just going to go in with my fingers. This is what I would normally do. I would just skip the brush step. But even if you do blend your concealer out with a brush or maybe a beauty blender, if you go back in and blend everything out with your fingers, it just makes everything just sink into your skin and blends everything seamlessly into your beautiful, flawless face. So now I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC43 and just pop that all over my face, just making sure all the concealer that I put is set really nicely. I normally wear this powder every day, especially when I go into work. It just makes my face look so flawless. It's my absolute favorite foundation. I know it's a little pricey here in Canada, but it just makes my face look so smooth and so flawless. And oh my gosh, I love it so much. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette in the color Champagne Truffle and just pop that highlight color on my lids. This step is totally optional, but if you just want to look a little more glamorous at home, or if you have a meeting or an interview, you can totally include this step. Okay, time to add some spice to the eyes. So I'm just lining my eyes with the Rimmel Scandal Eyes eyeliner in the color black, but you can use whatever eyeliner that you have. So I'm just lining my lower lashes and then I'm gonna tight line my eyes at the top. So this step is totally optional, but because I'm extra like that, I like to blend out my lower lash line just to give it that smoky effect. But you totally don't have to do this. But if you have a meeting or if you're just feeling yourself that day, just totally go ahead and do this. Now I'm taking the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara and I'm just gonna pop those onto my lashes, like so. This is the first time I'm actually using a mascara from this brand. I'm usually like a Maybelline mascara kind of girl, but I just decided to try this and it's actually not bad for like a $2 mascara. My lashes are pretty short anyways, so it does elongate them and it does make them, you know, quite bold, especially when I don't have liner on my top lid. I really like how this mascara works, and it is waterproof, so that's a bonus.
Purchase your tracks today.
Next, I'm gonna dip into my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Cheeky Bronze. Oh my gosh, look at all that powder. All that glitter. And I'm just gonna pop it onto my cheeks. I really like this product because it just gives you that glow. Look at that. Look at that bronzy glow. It's great for like an everyday look, and I just love this product so much. Now I'm gonna take my ColourPop highlighter in the color Wisp. See, I've definitely hit pan on this. I love this product. Look at that shine that it gives you. Oh my goodness. Oh my lord. So I'm just gonna blend that into my my cheeks and the high spots on my face, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. I'm also going to pop some of that color in my inner corner and also underneath my brow bone just to give that extra highlight. You guys know.
Purchase your tracks today.
And lastly, I'm gonna take my NYX Butter Lipstick in the color Beach Barbecue. Wow, I never looked at the name until now. But it's this beautiful, like corally, pinky, orangey color that's perfect for every day. And it's so buttery and it's so creamy and it's, oh my gosh, it's like a dream on the lips. So I'm just gonna pop this on there, pat it down, and then you're all good to go for your workday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, leave some love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!